Sa pagpasok sa business, there's such a thing as analysis paralysis, no? Narinig niyo na siguro yan, no? When we keep on thinking and we keep on planning and studying na na-exhaust na naman natin lahat ng pag-aaral at ayaw pa natin kumilos, instead na aral pa tayo ng aral, lalo tayo natatakot tuloy, no? Pag natatakot tayo, lalong aral pa ginagawa natin. Di tuloy tayo makamove, no? Ako na-realize ko in my own experience, nagkaroon ako ng abilidad do sa paggawa ng project study. I became a freelancer. Yung unang opportunity na dumating sa akin, I made 3,000 pesos. I grabbed the opportunity as a sideline. So doon ako nag-umpisa. Na-realize ko na kung pinag-isipan ko pa yon, sana hindi ako naging financial consultant. Sana hindi ako napunta sa real estate investing. Kasi ang pwedeng nag-hold back sa akin is yung takot. So the lesson I learned is, if you're going to business and you have already exhausted your research and planning, create the product, create the service, whatever that is, online marketing or whatever, no? Start doing it, no? Because you will not learn the 10 steps, no, until you have done the first step. In other words, you will know the second step once you have done the first step, and you will know the third step once you have done steps 1 and 2. There is such a thing as learning while doing it. So, kaya nga napansin ko, yung magagaling sa eskwela, usually, hirap na hirap magnegosyo. Yung mga flunkers sa school, yung pa nagsasucceed sa negosyo kasi hindi sila masyado nag-iisip, hindi masyado nag-aaral, sugod ng sugod, no? So, para sa akin, we have to develop that ability of balance, no? Na marunong kang mag-aral, marunong kang mag-research, no? Pinag-aaralan mo talaga, nagpaplano ka. But at the same time, may boldness ka na to take the first step and to study and to learn as you do it.